Okay guys, it's Eli from, well, the Amazing Eli channel. And, well, today, I'm going to teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. And okay, so the first step to solving a Rubik's Cube is, well, having one. Well, hey, that's done. And well, you know, when you got a Rubik's Cube, you gotta mix it up. Okay, so, you know, now that we have this done, well, let's get to solving. Okay guys, well, I hope you really like my professional mount here, you know, with the books stacked on top of each other. But yeah, so once you have this, we have to start solving. And so, yeah, you start with the white cross, but you make sure you want these to match with those, so you just, you know, start moving it around. Matches. 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 Okay. Corners in the right place. Speaking of which, we're now on to that, because we have the cross, so let's get to the corners. Okay, so right here we have the red, white, and blue corner, and here's the, and then it would go over here, and it's here. So what we do is we bring it down one to the side, bring it up, and now it's there. Now this is the white, orange, and green, so it should go here. So, and if it's up here, what we do is we do this, bring it out, and back up. So now this is out. And then now we do this, go not once, twice, back up, and then we do what we did earlier, right? And now we have this, so we just do what we just did, move it back up. So now we have the white face completely done. So now we have to get onto the second layer, edges, right? So for this, green and red, so it goes here. So whichever side is facing on the outside, so not in the yellow part, so green, you bring it next to the green, so it would be right here. And then what you do is bring that down, bring that this way, up, sideways, down, down, boom. Now it's in place. And then orange, green goes here. And, well, you know, orange is facing out, orange is here, so it's in the right space. Go down, boom, 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 in and up. And, ooh, see this? And these, they need to get swapped. But, you know, so what you can just do is do this. So basically, just do what we've been doing, just with a random piece. So go boom, 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 right? And now the blue, red is out. And where this blue is here, so we bring it sideways. And so it's the same thing as when we're doing it for this, just it'll be over here. So you go down, sideways, up, sideways, down, sideways, up. And now orange, blue is out, or down. Orange is out, orange is over here. So same thing, down, left, up, left, down, right, up. Okay, so now you have the first two layers done. So now you're on the dreaded last layer. So what you do is you look for where it's at, what colors are here. And so there's five possibilities of what can be here. What we have a little L, a line, or a cross. So I was right, or I was wrong. It's 4, or none of them. And if you don't have any of them, you'll still do what we do, and then it'll bring you to this. I think, yeah, unless your cube's messed up. So what you do is you go like this. Ooh, no. Yeah, okay. So you... Okay, wait, how did I just do that? Okay, but yeah. So now we have this. So now we're gonna make it this way. So you go up, left, no, boom, boom. Sorry. Yeah. So now, but now you have the yellow cross. And what you do from the yellow cross. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I had to rearrange my, shooting position. But anyways, let's get back onto it. Okay, so now you have the yellow cross. But notice that not all of them are in the correct spots. And this is not ideal, but solvable. So if it's like this, you just, or here's what you do. No, that's not what you do. You do this. Okay. Here, wait, so. Okay, so you can either have 2 like here, and then these 2 not be right, or have it like this. I need to get it back. Oh, come on, bro. Okay, or you can have it right here and here, but not on these 2. But you still do the same thing. You just go up, sideways, down, sideways, up, and then sideways twice, and then down. So now it's changed these, and then you'll look around. This is right. This isn't. This isn't, and this isn't. So that's not in the right spot. But don't get worried. You can turn it. This is right. This is right. This isn't, and this isn't. Okay? So what you do is you just do it again. But where these 2 correct ones are, you want those facing that way. And then you do it again. Up, 1, down, 1, up, 2, down, and then correct. So now all these these are in the right spots. So, what's left? Okay, we have to get these corners in their spots. And so what you want to look for is a piece in its spot. And this one is, this isn't, and this isn't. And now if you have a case where there is none, you'll still just do what you're gonna do anyways. But so what you do is you go sideways, up there, so sideways the other way, up like that, down, boom, boom. And now that's in the right spot, that's in the right spot, that's in the right spot, and that's in the right spot. Now let me see if I can get it into another case. Oh, that's gonna, yeah. Okay, but yeah, so no matter what you're at, like, if there is none, just do it on any of them and it will go there, unless there's something like wrong, like 2 corners were swapped, then it's unsolvable. But yeah, it's in its right area, so then you do it again. Okay, and now that's in its spot, that's in its spot, that's in its spot, and that is in its spot. So, now the corners are in their spots. They just have to be facing the right way. So, it's simple what you do. I like to tilt it to my side. You don't have to. I'll do it where you don't. You just go down. Okay, go down this way, up, and this way. And then repeat down, this way, this way, this way. And now that you've done with this, you move this one here. And then down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. And now move it down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Move it down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. And then it'll always be in like a little L if it's right. Down, left, up, right. And now it's all right. You just have to give it one nice turn. And there you go. You solve your Rubik's Cube. Okay? So let's see it in action. I'll do it again. But this time, it's a smidge quicker. So, there. Match it. Here. Match it. Match it. Match it. And now corners. Get that out of the way. Here it is. It needs to go here. Do that. This goes in here. This over here. This here. Now these. Orange outwards goes next to it. Well, you want to make sure that it's green. So green, orange, green would be here. So then it's when you would do it. And now green, red. Green's facing outwards. Put it next to the green. Go bam, 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 bam. Boom, boom, boom. Now it's there. Blue, orange. Blue face next to the blue. Now it's there. Blue out, red in. Goes next to the blue. Under the blue, next to the blue. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. And now we have these done, and now here. Line. And now you see here, you don't have to go back and do it again, because the next step would be to do it this. So you can just from here do it again. So here, let me show you. I did it again, didn't I? See, it's because I do it. It's how I'm used to doing it. So here, you don't have to stop. See, just go like that, and then don't do this. You can just keep going and then do it. So here, we need these in the right spot. So move it. That's right. That's not right. That's not right. That's not right. Move it. That's not right. That's right. That is right. And that's not right. Okay. These are right. And what do we do with the right ones? We keep them away. And you go up once, twice. Right, 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 right. This is in the correct spot. This isn't, this isn't, this isn't. So you do it with this side. Right part, right spot, right spot, right spot. And now we just do the flipping of them. So we'll start from here. Down, left, right, up. Down, left, right, up. Move it. Down, left, right, up. Down, left, right, up. Down, left, right, up. Down, left, right, up. Sideways. Down, left, right, up. Down, left, right, up. Down, left, right, up. Down, left, right, up. Sideways. Down, left, right, up. The sideways L, I like to think of it as a kind of check mark, so you know it's right. Down, left, right, up. And now, got these, and then all you have to do is one nice turn. And there you go. You solved your Rubik's Cube. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy.